Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. In the name of the Supreme Pontiff Francis and by the authority granted to me by him, I declare the academic year 2022 to 2023, the 83rd since the foundation of the university, open. With these words, last Wednesday, October 19, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesian Congregation and Grand Chancellor of the Salesian Pontifical University UPS, sanctioned the official start of the New Year's activities. The inaugural ceremony began in the parish of St. Mary of Hope with the Eucharistic celebration, presided over by Father A.F. Artime, who in his homily offered important points for reflection. In my activity as a teacher or as a student, from what inner position do I look at and study reality? In what profound attitudes are my research and thinking rooted? What intentions guide it and what energies fuel it? In other words, recalling the teachings of the readings, do I reason as a psychic cause man, or do I let the Spirit guide me? As part of the celebration of the 2022 Provincial Feast of the Salesians of Midland COM, the meeting of COM rectors was held on October 14 and 15 with the aim of consolidating the redesigning of works in the province. The event was attended by 22 Salesians who lead the animation processes of the educational pastoral communities of the 18 works in the province. The meeting strengthened the work in synodality in light of the orientations presented by the 28th General Chapter and in the extraordinary visit 2022 carried out by the General Counsellor for Youth Ministry, Father Miguel Angel Garcia. This activity also made it possible to carry out the evaluation, planning and achievement of the joint mission, as well as to show the good practices developed during the year. The days ended with the Eucharist presided over by Father Hugo Orozco, SDB Counselor for the Inter-American region, who celebrated his 25 years of priestly life. On October 15, more than 400 Don Bosco alumni, together with their former teachers and some Salesians, gathered on the campus of the Salesian High School in Gwangju for the 40th Friends Great Encounter. During the day, alumni expressed gratitude to their teachers, including remembering those who have passed away, and 5 teachers were honored for their service and contributions to society. The event was attended by many famous past pupils, including Member of Parliament and a well-known YouTuber. The 125th edition of the annual Salesian Friend magazine was also published on the occasion. A meeting of the National Federation of Don Bosco Past Pupils of South Korea was also held as part of the event, aimed at revitalizing the federation. Also participated in the event via video conference was Bryant Magro, World President of the Past Pupils, who shared some key criteria for the healthy growth of the association, including working together with the Salesians and working together for and with young people in need. Mr. Magro also mentioned the upcoming Special World Congress 2024, which will focus on the profile of the Don Bosco past pupils today. GX Vice President Neil Evangelista also sent a video message encouraging growth together with the Salesian family, with a focus on the accompaniment of the younger generation of past peoples and the journey in unity with the World Confederation of Past Peoples as outlined in the Strategic Plan 2021 to 2027. 250 young people from Salesian Works gathered October 14 to 16 to celebrate their annual One Talk Bosco event on the theme Do All for Love, inspired by the Rector Major Strena 2022. The program began with moments of prayer and meditation animated by Father Robinson Parapilli and the weaving of limbs on the life of Miguel Pro, a Jesuit priest who sacrificed his life for Christ. The second day began with the Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Gregory Bicomong, Superior of the Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands PGSVP, who during his homily emphasized the importance of devotion to Our Lady and praying the Holy Rosary. This was followed by a meditative session of the youth divided into groups and planning for the evening talent show. Father Bicomong then spoke on challenges of youth in the modern world, where he highlighted the importance of cultivating character based on Christian values. The program concluded with sports, games, prayer time and interaction. On Saturday, October 15, the meeting of the youth of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM, members of the Salesian family, Salesians and daughters of Mary Help of Christians from the works of the province of Slovenia SLO, was held at the Salesian Center Don Bosco, Maribor. The SYM meeting, held under the theme All for Love, with about 100 representatives, began with Mass presided over by Father Hure Bapnik, SDB Provincial Delegate for Youth Ministry. In the afternoon, activities continued with the PAC program, including workshops and testimonies, and the story of the missionary experience in Ukraine of the young volunteer Sarah KRNC. The day ended with a big game and adoration of the Blessed Sacrament animated with youth liturgical songs. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.